In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the shipping address on Facebook Marketplace. Changing your shipping address is a simple yet crucial task, especially if you've moved recently and want to ensure your purchases arrive at the correct location. Let's walk through the process step by step to make it as smooth as possible for you. First off, you'll want to open Facebook on your preferred device. This can be either your mobile app or directly from a web browser. Once you're on the Facebook homepage, take a look at the upper right corner of your screen. You'll notice your profile icon there. Go ahead and click on that to proceed to your profile settings. Now that you're on your profile, the next step is to click on Settings. This setting option is a hub for managing different aspects of your Facebook account, from privacy matters to payment details. So finding and clicking on it is crucial for making any adjustments you need. Once you're in the settings menu, keep an eye out for the personal details section. This area houses your account information and is where you'll be making your changes today. Clicking on personal details will bring you to a new menu with several options related to your account information and preferences. As we continue, you'll want to look for an option called Facebook Pay. Clicking on Facebook Pay leads you to another set of settings specifically tied to transactions and purchases you make on the platform. This is where your payment methods and shipping addresses reside. Next, you'll see an option titled Account. Select this to dive deeper into your personal settings. Within the account settings, you'll find another settings option. Yes, it might seem repetitive, but each level has its distinct purpose, ensuring everything remains organized and easy to manage. Now that we're getting closer to updating the address, click on Add Shipping Address. This is the moment to enter your new shipping details. Make sure to type in the information accurately and double check for any typing errors. This can prevent any shipping mishaps and ensure your items arrive where you need them to. To finish up, fill out the necessary details and be sure to hit Save. Saving your information is critical to ensure that any future purchases reflect your new shipping address. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you've now updated your shipping address, making future shopping and deliveries more seamless and stress-free on Facebook Marketplace. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Feel free to revisit the video whenever you need a refresher, and happy shopping on Facebook Marketplace.